And
Hi, and welcome to Vegans Taste Better!
I'm Louis.
And I'm Mandy.
And today we have... So this is our first time tasting Beyond
Tacos! These are...
soft tacos.
They're vegan without having to do anything. If you order the avocado Beyond Meat taco, it's vegan already. They do have a vegetarian version that has cheese, but for the vegan version, they sub avocado.
Does that cost extra?
It doesn't.
Wow!
What a concept!
Free avocado?
Not free, you sub it for the cheese. Should we show them the inside, or is that gross?
Okay.
Like, it's not super appetizing
It's not like...
looking, I guess.
And it's spilling. And it's not like looking in the inside of somebody's mouth, so it's not that gross.
It does look like kind of a mess, though. You
It's
gotta
okay.
do
What you gotta do. I also have hot sauce, but first I'm trying them tacos.
full disclosure. We are shareholders. In Beyond Meat, we will not let that sway our opinion of these tacos.
Wow, this is the best taco I've ever tasted.
Go get lots
Oh wait,
more.
I actually take a bite of it first.
Okay.
Quiet on set.
Quiet. We're filming.
Yeah.
Oh,
Go
now
away.
he's gonna go in there. He's going.
No!
Good boy. All right. Without further ado,
And scene.
are you gonna try it first without the hot sauce?
Yes, I'm gonna try it first without hot sauce so I get the full, unadulterated version of the taco.
I'm super excited. Oh, you're going?
Oh, that's what we said.
Mmm. Ooh, I didn't even get avocado, but it's already good. Oh, and also, these come in hard shells, but you can order soft shell. Soft shell.
So my first impression is this is a good taco. My second impression is we have a loud pig in our
So
kitchen.
naughty.
Third impression, is there like beans mixed in with this? 'Cause
Nope.
this is, it's not the same as the burger. It's
They
a
have
crumb-
their special taco seasoning.
Yeah, so this is good. This
Really
is,
good.
And how much are these, like, if,
Oh.
to buy?
These are like $2.49 or something, so they're not expensive. But it's not a giant taco either. So
It's not a giant taco. You'd probably want two
or three if you're just eating these.
But it's good,
Really good.
and it has avocado in it, and that's like 50 cents extra at Chipotle. So
Or anywhere else, pretty much.
I like to use Trader Joe's hot sauce. This is by far my favorite hot sauce. It has really good flavor.
And the right amount of heat.
Yeah, not too much. It won't set your mouth on fire, but it will definitely spice things up.
So even though we are biased because we are shareholders of Beyond Meat, I think this is really good.
I would totally recommend it to anyone. Oh, even better with the hot sauce.
And
Omar! Honestly.
he spilled his water and pulled the light out. See, this is why we need to give him a taco.
This is why we need to make him into a taco.
I recommend people go out and buy as many of these as possible.
Yeah.
And not just because that'll affect my share prices, but
And then demand every restaurant that you go to carry Beyond Meat.
go to Taco Bell, demand Beyond Meat.
Another thing I want to say is that I have never in my life been to Del Taco. Up until now, fast food places have not offered anything to vegans except for Taco Bell. with their al fresco stuff and their potatoes. Apparently it's gotten really good lately.
But that's like secret menu type items.
Yeah, this is vegan on the menu. You don't have to ask, you don't have to sub anything, you don't have to hold anything. You just get a vegan taco. I'd say 5 out of 5. For price, convenience, except there isn't a Del Taco here. 5 annoying Omar heads for me.
5 loud, box tearing, light pulling Omar heads for me too. And not just because we own half the stock of Beyond.
I wish.
Beyond Meat. Hopefully more places start carrying items like this, like we know Carl's Jr. is already.
Yeah, we should try one of those.
Mm-hmm. And Burger King will soon have the Impossible Burger.
Impossible Whopper.
Mm-hmm.
Which is not Beyond Meat, by the way.
Yeah, so we're gonna boycott that one.
That. Just kidding. Kentucky Fried Chicken is working on a vegan chicken. Oh, and Pizza Hut is gonna start having vegan cheese.
Like Mod already does.
Are happening. We've started the revolution.
And it's all thanks to us. So
Yeah,
you're welcome.
We're
vegan
OGs.
community.
We've been vegan since 98.
Yeah, but for us, old OGs means old guys.
Thanks for misgendering me.
Guy is a non-gender specific term.
Not in that context, bitch.
What did you just do? Whore. Men and women can be whores.
And men and women. The assholes.
And men and women can be dicks. Okay, maybe that one doesn't work. Alright. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.
And go get a Beyond Taco if you have one of these in your area.
Yeah.
Or even if you don't.
Even if you don't.
Drive
500
Just
miles.
get in your car now and start driving.
Until you get a Del Taco.
And then order 10.
Unless it's the one that doesn't have the Beyond Meat, then keep driving another 500 miles.
Yeah.
And then order 10.
Hopefully in your electric car.
Going 1,000 miles in an electric car.
Yes.
It's a good choice. See y'all next time. Bye-bye.
And he's enjoying a box.
Omar, stop. You're being too loud.
He says what? Should I pull out this light cord again?
Go away. Go away. Go away. Go away. He's not going to stop until he has a taco. He just viciously attacked me.